Hey, welcome to the channel. I'm Musically Malnourished, and you're on my journey to go deep and wide in discovering new music and artists. We're in the 2016 album from AURORA called All My Demons. I'm going to get this one day, okay? All My Demons Greeting Me as a Friend. This is track number 5, titled Winter Bird. I'm always interested looking at titles because even like with the last track, Lucky, I never would have guessed it's centered around this idea of lucky to be alive. Winter Bird could be this idea of thriving within the winter, within the place that, you know, is kind of death with the winter, but yet there's a bird that flourishes. I don't know. Always interested going in. So we'll give this a listen, make a few comments along the way. Then you'll have a chance to click into a second video called The Second Course, where we do a deep dive into the lyrics and meaning behind the music. And if you're interested in dessert, we have music videos, live performances, and more from AURORA over on Patreon. So feel free to give that a look. But let's get in and give Winter Bird a listen.
Walking in my sleep, like the naked trees. Will they wake up again? Do they sleep? Do they dream? Feel it as the wind strokes my skin. I am moved by the chill. Hear the winter birds sing.
I love that.
Pressed against my pillow like the aging winter sun. Only wake each morning.
Love the backing.
Remember that you're gone. So I drift away again to where I belong.
It's so powerful, dude.
feel alive. I need to remember how it was to feel alive.
So the winter here seems to be a type of metaphor. First, I thought maybe she was kind of reveling in the idea of winter, but especially there was one line, "We are dancing again in a dream by the lake." But there was one specific, "Only wake each morning to remember that you're gone." Felt like it shed a little bit more light on the idea of tears being frozen, and more this idea of like a personal winter, feeling this cold because you've lost the warmth of this other person. So, man, again, I'm sure the word beautiful, stunning is going to come up so much within this album, but she really is, man. And that's why I wanted to get into Aurora. I have a very real response to this type of music, because it does, man. It just conjures something ancient, I feel like, within your heart and your mind. Not only the way that she delivers it, but a lot of times the content in which she's singing about, tying things to nature. So, absolutely beautiful. Well, if you want to join us for the second course, you can click right here. We'll do a deep dive into the lyrics and meaning behind the music. Let me know your thoughts on this one in the comments, and I hope to see you in the next one, because we're eating good.